As COVID cases trend upward again, public health experts are setting the record straight on certain storylines about new infections. Minnesota's 7-day average for new COVID cases had dipped below 100 earlier this summer. Now it's nearing 300. Health officials blame the combination of the Delta variant spreading and a slower rate of vaccinations. For some who elected to get the shots, there are instances of infections. But David Dowdy, an epidemiologist at Johns Hopkins University, says the vaccines still work. There are just some key things to remember.
They give your immune system a jump start on the virus, but every now and then that jump start is not quite enough to prevent an infection. Almost always it's going to be enough to prevent you from getting really, really sick.
He says no vaccine is perfect. However, the CDC notes fewer than 1% of COVID deaths and hospitalizations have been tied to fully vaccinated individuals. Despite the rarity of breakthrough cases, Dowdy says it's important to be cautious in public settings to prevent major spikes again. He notes the risk for vulnerable populations such as older adults, even if they've been vaccinated. As for vaccination rates, groups like AARP have raised concerns about benchmarks for staff members at places like nursing homes. Dowdy says there are many reasons why some people are hesitant to get a shot, including in communities overlooked by public health offices. But he suggests it's reasonable to take a closer look at places like assisted living facilities.
That does change the calculus a little bit. You're not just thinking about yourself now, you're thinking about the people that you're having to come into contact with on a daily basis.
In its latest nursing home COVID-19 dashboard, AARP says just 17% of Minnesota nursing homes have met an industry target of having at least 75% of staff fully vaccinated. Overall, 88% of the state's nursing home residents have completed the immunization cycle, compared to 62% of all staff. Mike Moen, Minnesota News Connection. Find our rate trust indicators to support transparency and accuracy at publicnewsservice.org.